This is actually, I guess, my favorite of the basic steps, and we call it David's Basic. But we decided not to name it that because most of the combinations we're teaching are David's combinations. So we want to make this
Stand out. Oh, what? The others aren't?
right. It's got this really cool squiggle in it that's very fun.
And it can turn any degree. Right now I'm turning it 180 so that it's good for the camera. Really what we're doing, the first part is we're delaying the weight shift. Normally,
The weight shift for the man.
for the man, normally when we do a basic, side, 1, 2, she crosses and he'll shift weight, but I'm not going to. I'm going to step with my right foot, and then I would shift here, but instead of shifting, I step around her, and then we go on. And for the follower, this gives you the opportunity to have a beautiful styling with your foot. So after that cross, he takes you back, and then he goes around you, and you see that beautiful tail that my right foot makes as it goes to step forward. So once again, showing the last half slowly. It goes through for the leader, back for the follower. He goes around her. She pivots, foot makes the tail, we extend. Now I want to make one comment for the leader about going around the follower. This comes up pretty frequently. And I'll say he goes around her, but what happens is your body is wider than it is narrow. And so if I go, think what I did to the camera. This is wider than this.
Right.
And so if I go around her and I put my feet here, but I go straight forward, I'm going to bump into her. See that? Can you stand right here? So if I go this straight that way, I'll hit her with my right chest. Actually, let's do this way. You think I just like moving her. So right here, if I go forward, I'd hit her with my chest. Don't move. But if I rotate sideways as I go there,
Then I have room.
I can go by. And so when I say go around, you have to rotate the body as well so that you don't knock the follower off her axis.
I think that's probably the single most important thing for the leaders and the thing that makes it fun for the followers.